Yo, what's up everyone, 2I1TD2. I just want to do a little update on my tractor. As you can see in the last video, the seat's off. Got my steering wheel on. It's finished. Well, I gotta tighten it. I'll do that right now actually. But after I tighten it, yeah, I got it on. It's welded. So now, cause before it bent, and painted it yesterday. I made a video of me painting, but I'm like, screw that. So I just deleted that. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Gotta just I'm gonna see if I can fit one of those things, see if it'll cover it like you do on cars. If not, I'm gonna see if I can melt rubber or whatever, you know, right here. So yeah, here, let me get a I don't know, I should just need channel locks. Cause that bolt ain't gonna move on the one side right there. It ain't gonna move because it's that kind of bolt, which I don't know what it's called. Alright, hold on, let me tighten it as far as I can. That'd be smart to do. Actually, screw it, let's get a socket. Oh, those are too small. 14 millimeters to do it. Yep. And then, where's my dad's tool bag? Which probably won't be in here, because that's how convenient it is. Son of a fucking bitch. Motherfucker. Go figure it ain't in here. Oh, we gotta go to the other garage. Pooch. This is just wonderful. Would have saved me a lot of time if it would have been right in here. Should have put my boots on. I didn't wear boots today at school because I got my some bitch, it's cold. Because I got my watch is not even be locked. I was gonna say that's gonna piss me off. Yeah, that's right, you stupid ass motherfucker. So yeah, I got my dad's tractor. I mean my dad's spoiler. Oh shit, I wonder if he got gas. Son of a bitch, do I hope he got gas. Son of a fucking bitch. Motherfucking bitch. Sorry. I'm just so excited because he got gas. I'm going riding today, fuck that. I'm going riding today. You shit me? His tool bag ain't in there, where the hell is it? Here, hold on, let me see if he filled up my gas tank. Sorry, I'm like really excited. Nah, he didn't fill it up. Oh, I filled up. Fuck yeah. Alright, now I gotta go find it. It ain't in here. So some bitch, where it at? Because the reason I need it is to get the socket thing in there. Is it in the van? I doubt it. Oh, look at that. And this is what I needed. Let's go do that real quick. So happy you got gas. I'm gonna call Tyler on the phone, tell him he got gas. I'll do that on the video just to be entertaining. See if Tyler wants to ride. Oh, wrong way. And there's actually snow on the bike trail. I'm thinking about riding on the bike trail. It's illegal, but when there's snow on it, the cops don't say anything. So, we do at night anyway. I probably shouldn't say that, but yeah. Me and outdoors makes having one. Alright, as soon as I put this back, because my dad flips when he don't have his tools, because he knows I'm the only one that uses them. I got my own socket set, but I didn't feel like going to my tree fort to get it. Alright, let's call Tyler. Actually, I probably shouldn't show that on the camera. Alright, here we go. Calling T. Some bitch, it's busy. Can't call him an iPod. Let's try calling him. What the hell am I doing? Good sign. He may not answer because it's his iPod. He don't have a cell phone. That bastard ain't gonna answer. Alright, Scoop. He's probably on the phone with my cousin. But, alright, yeah, so, yeah, steering wheel's done. I just need to get me a seat. I'm gonna go talk to my dad, see if he'll take me. I'm gonna get changed. I'm going freaking riding. Alright, peace out, guys.